Whoa, guys. This is dope. Couscous. We're here at a Moroccan little restaurant. Most one of the best here.
This is the sauce for couscous.
On Google. And we got lamb and couscous, guys. Lamb and chicken. And veggies. Wow. Amazing.
Bon appétit.
And we got some wine here. Alright, guys. Let me tell you what I think. So, guys, it's pretty good so far. We have some carrots. It's just a little sweet. But they added sugar. We have caramelized onions. It's pretty good. Haven't really gotten to the meat yet. I see the chicken. Fried chicken. That's the lamb. Let's see what this chicken tastes like, guys. But you gotta think you need some sauce. So give some sauce here. Okay. Works well on this chicken. It's a huge plate, guys. So this plate was about $20 for this big plate. Gigantic food. Let's keep trying this out. Let's see how this tastes with this chicken. Jump into this thing. Pretty good. That was a good meal, guys. I like the veggies. I normally never eat grains, but it's pretty straight. Let's try the lamb, guys. Man, how this lamb is. This is a little dry, so let me try it. The sauce. Let's see. Makes a difference. Way better with the sauce, guys. So far, Bill, here in Casablanca, Morocco, and so far so good. So far so good, guys. I like it. So I'll keep you guys posted. So far, it's the best I've seen. This is the restaurant. I didn't show you guys. Beautiful craftsmanship. It's very nice. Nicely done. It's empty now because usually they have a belly show. But it didn't show. I missed it because I was asleep. I just came in on the flight. Alright, guys, we're going to sign off. Like button for your boy Chocolate. And we are out.